Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it. This is a 97-02, specifically 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter, I should say, frame. Beautiful frame, rust-free, straight, nice, clean, with only one goofy thing on it, which is that guy up there, and I will finish cutting that thing off. It was towed behind a motorhome. So you can only imagine how clean it really is, just because it was never really used. So it had like 60K on it. Yeah, that's we did buy it, and we did buy it running and driving. Criticize us all you want, but this is why you get to buy a good, nice, solid frame. I just say that because a lot of people scoff at our parting out our Wranglers, but there's a lot of people out there with a lot of really bad frames and tubs, so that's why we do it. We don't buy at junk auctions, so you'll never see a bent frame out of us unless we know something about it, which we will tell you. So yeah, so I'm sorry that thing. I actually have cut most of it off, but it is a bugger. It was done really well, good welds on it, so won't interfere with anything. You'll still be able to mount the factory bumper back to it. The holes are fine that they go into down there. So I'm about to run out of light, so I'm going to hurry this video along. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. If you're wondering what the difference between a 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder frame is fairly simple. Those mounts, both of them, are the only thing that is different. So if you were to want to put this on a 6-cylinder, because oftentimes 6-cylinder frames are extremely hard to come by, especially in these 97-02 years, you would simply cut those guys off right there, plasma them, whatever you want, save the most you can. Bolt down your drivetrain, put your belly pan in so you know where everything aligns, set it down, excuse me, exactly where it's going to sit, and then re-weld your motor mounts in. If you're putting a different motor, Chevy motor, 5.3, something like that in it, this frame will work perfect for you. You'll have to mess with those anyway, so it doesn't matter. I would say it's a, let's say A-, only because it's got some stupid thing welded to it right now. But we will get them off here. No problem. Now, if you have an 03 to 06 year range, you can use this frame, but you got to buy the belly pan and the gearbox as well as intermediate shaft. Those are what changed on them. Or you can just call us, and we usually have one of those frames. They're a little bit easier to come by than the early years are. So let me put this guy over. Now, that thing on the front freaking weighs a little bit. It was really bad when I first did it, so I still was able to pick it up, flip it over with one hand. This is all factory paint on it. All the black you see on it is all factory, so it's in very, very good shape. I kind of bumped that with the forklift, so we'll pound that back out for you. It just takes a whack of the hammer. Belly pan skid plate area, that's always a concern for people. These are obviously great. Threads are good, nice and shiny inside, no rust in there. These areas love to rot out on TJs, especially on the body side, so you can always look there if you're considering buying a Jeep. That's the worst area for them. Let's see here. I think this control arm, this guy here needs to be banged out with a pry bar or something. Pull that guy this away. That's a little lock key. As you can see, it moves that bolt there, and it holds your mount in. So guys get lazy sometimes and don't pull things the way they should. Sit there and pull something back and forth, and it dings them up a little bit. But nonetheless, good shape. Won't have any surprises on it, and that's Gunnison in the way, of course, like usual. 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. I appreciate you taking the time. Happy Easter 2018, and give us a call if you have any questions or comments.